guys, welcome back to our channel Life Review. My name is Deb and today we'll be doing the unboxing and fitting video of this here. This is the BOBO bike phone holder. So these days it's everywhere. If all the vlogs that you see, biking, motorcycle videos and all these things, I see these in every vlogger's bike handle. So I decided to get one for myself. And let me tell you about this a little bit. I'll just show you around the box and then we'll go ahead to the actual unboxing. And then I'll show you how to fit it to your bike. So stay till the end to see that. Now, so this is the BOBO Universal 4 to 7 inch screen phone. So 4 inch to 7 is small to big. All the phone can be applied to this. Can be used to fit this. 1 year warranty. So this the model number is BM4 bike phone holder. So there are other models BM6 and all these things. So the difference with those is those are a little bit more costlier than this, and those have USB cable and charging ports and everything that is there. So that means in those ones you can connect it with your bike battery and you can charge your phone with that. But I didn't go for that. I'll tell you why later on when I fix this with the bike. And this does not have any charging cable. This is the plain mobile phone holder. Okay, 360-degree rotation, universal fit. Okay, mounts on any bike or scooter. Works with all smartphones, right? So here, disclaimer: not okay. BOBO is not responsible for any damages caused to a smartphone or vehicle while installing using this product. So when you fix it tightly. You cannot blame BOBO if your phone falls down and cracks. So be careful with that. For that, okay, this is without charger. Okay, on the back, main unit without charger. Again, they have mentioned this. This is without charging unit. This one is tissue tape for vibration control. We'll see that. Box content rear view mirror mount for scooters. Okay, they have given different type of mount also here for scooters. Especially they have the hex key for fitting. That's always nice. 32mm DIA buckle for bike handlebar. So you can use either this for scooties or this for your bike. 25mm DIA plastic spacer. Or we have given two plastic spacers. So you can use it for your small handles or your bigger handles. 25mm and 23mm diameter. And manufactured in USA, or designed in USA and made in PSA standard, People's Republic of China. PSA stands for, so it's China, you cannot escape from China. And BOBO here, imported, marketed, blah blah. Okay, MRP of this is 2,199, but I got this for 1,199, so you can get that for anywhere between 1,000 to 1,200. Okay, let's go ahead and do the unboxing. So this slides up quite nice, and I have to use my knife here. Yes, not. Okay, so right out of the box. Oh, this is quite heavy. I was not expecting that. This is plastic, but I think they have some metal inside of that. Very well made. Very well made. This is very well made. So this is for your scooty. You can mount it with your scooty, and let's see. Let's go ahead. Also, the packing, the quality of this is quite nice. So in this packet we have, this is for your bike. Again, this is metal, not plastic, and you have to open it from here. You have this. So again, I will be doing the fitting of this. So this is the ball bearing here, and we have this. I think 42mm, right? 25. Okay. So this is the 25 that is already installed, and you have the 22 here. So if you have a thicker handlebar, use this. If you have a smaller handlebar, you can use this. Alright. This is the tape, tissue tape that they were talking about. So I think this is a two-way tape. You can just put it inside here if you want it again. And let's see the actual unit itself. Very nice, I would say. So this is the knob for using which you will have to control it. Okay, before doing that, let me just show you. So this is metal. Yeah, this is metal. Right? Nice. Again, the build quality of this, I'm quite surprised with this. This costs a lot. If you buy from, if you go for any mobile phone holder, you can get around 200, 300, but those are all plastic. But this is very premium, metal. The build quality is so good. I'm glad that I bought this. So this will go here. Yeah, this will go here, and you can fix this, and we'll do that a little later. The model number BM4, serial number is given there. Again, metal, and using this knob, you see, this is going out. So this is going out, and quite nice. And you can place your mobile here. This is a big one. We'll see. This is one of the biggest. I think this is a 7-inch, so it will go inside. It is, and you tighten it, and this is, I would say, nice, very nice grip, very nice grip. And so I will right now let's go to my bike and we'll fit this. I'll show you how to fit this using all these things, and after fitting I will again put my phone inside this, and let's see how it looks finally after installation. So see you there. So this is the phone holder. This is for the scooty. We'll not actually be using it here as we'll be installing it on the bike. These are for the handles. This is a two-way tape if needed, and this is the metal clasp which has the ball and socket. This will go here, and this is the screw on with which you can tighten or loose this. So let's put it. So should be tight enough. You can adjust it according to your own convenience. This is really nice. The ball is actually coated with a layer of plastic which gives a good grip. And here are two set of stoppers or adjusters for the handle. One is for thick handle and one is for thin handle. So you can use this on scooty or for the bike. So we'll be using the one for the thick handle in our bike. So this is the Avenger 220 that I have. We'll fit it there. And it's actually very easy to install, as we'll see. Just take out the screw. And as easy as that, just put it here. You can actually put it anywhere on your handle, so that is one good point. Just put in the plastic part, attach it, and there is a small washer to the screw. Put that in first, and then comes the screw. This is good grip. Initially you can tighten it using your hands, and after that you can use the Allen key, which is provided free of cost along with the holder. So that's very thoughtful of them. Yeah, tighten it until it does not move around, because there will be vibration. You will have to make sure that it is tight. So that is how it looks after the installation. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you like this video. If you did, like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, stay safe.